Hi, I'm Gage with Vertec Labs. Today I'm here at an express tunnel to show you how to titrate waxes. So in our sample right here, I have ceramic drying agent. That's the first step to titrating. So you're going to grab your sample and then you're going to grab your sample vial. You're going to fill your sample vial up to 10 milliliters. Right there on 10. Next step is to grab your complexing reagent. You're going to fill the dropper halfway or to half a milliliter. Then give it a swirl. Next, you're going to grab your blue indicator and you're going to put 2 drops in. Now the color will be blue. After that, you're going to grab your QAC reagent. And what you're looking for here is as you're adding the drops, you're counting, and you're looking for the blue to turn to purple. 1, 2, 3. So I got 3 drops. The reason we titrate is to check chemical strength to make sure we're not using too much chemical, we're not putting too little chemical on the car, we're making sure customers get what they pay for, and we're making sure that the cars come out clean and dry.